स्वागत छ नेपालमा अध्ययन सम्बन्धी भिडियोका लागि यस च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरी बेल आइकनलाई अलमा प्रेस गर्न नबिर्सनु होला।
नमस्ते, स्वागत छ हजुरहरूलाई फेरि पनि। आज म अंग्रेजी विषयको इंग्लिश सब्जेक्टको क्लास 11 को इंग्लिश सब्जेक्टको युनिट 3 एसेको शेयरिङ एन्ड ट्रेडिसनको सोल्युसन मैले लिएर आएको छु। यो शेयरिङ एन्ड ट्रेडिसन भन्ने फ्र्याङ्कली पेनले लेखेको हुन्। उनको जन्म 1937 मा भएको र उनी 2019 मा उनको मृत्यु भएको। वाज बोर्न इन सैन फ्रान्सिस्को क्यालिफोर्निया र उनको जन्म युएसए को क्यालिफोर्नियामा भएको। ही अटेन्डेन्स फेडरल इन्डियन बोर्डिङ स्कुल इन स्टेट। He received his bachelor art degree from Kansas State in 1965 and a Master of Art in Anthropology at State in 1978. म यसबारे धेरै नगइकन म सिधै क्वेसन एन्सरतिर जान्छु। यहाँ ग्लोसरी छ, अब हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हजुरहरूले यहाँ ग्लोसरी र यहाँनिर केही समरी पनि छ। Summary: elder people is our family. Elderly people in our family are the important source of traditional values, norms, and culture. If we listen to them, then we get the way to preserve them and traditional culture. Due to the modern technology and lifestyle of young people are unable to give full interest to all the traditional which is carried by their grandparents. It is our duty to select the appropriate traditions which are essential for human life. Such type of traditional culture are carried on through song, dance, story, festival, and other many more related to cultural values. Oral tradition is far better than the literal tradition. In oral tradition, we can get the correct information. In oral tradition, we can get the correct information verbally. If any mistake occurs, also that can be correct immediately. But a literal tradition doesn't have much space to correct the thing because they care in printed form. This message may be disordered if correct things are not written in a proper manner. अब म अर्कोतिर जान्छु। Answer the following question. Understanding the text. Answer the following question. A. According to La Pena, what is the importance of the oral tradition? To what extent do you agree with this opinion and why? According to the La Pena, the importance of the oral tradition is to preserve and maintain the cultural and values of our tradition from generation to generation through the oral means. I fully agree with this opinion because the culture and value of tradition should be maintained and preserved from generation to generation for the welfare of the people and their life. Cultural and traditional value play a very important role in people of life. Question number B. Who preserve and pass on the oral tradition? Answer यस प्रकार छ। An oral tradition is an art from where information related to culture and values are transmitted from generation through the oral means. Both the elder and younger play a vital role in preserving and passing on the oral tradition. Firstly, the task of preserving and passing on the oral tradition is done by elder. Next, young people get the task. This task keep on moving from generation to generation. The most important aspect in that both the elder and young people must be responsible for this task of preserving and passing on oral tradition. C number. What is the danger of not passing on information from generation to generation? Answer. The danger of not passing information from generation to generation is that the culture and values of our tradition may be extinct. Extinct भनेको लोप हुँदै जानु. People will have to survive a meaningless life without their culture and traditional. D. What is the difference between oral tradition and literary tradition? Answer. An oral tradition is a form of art in which the information relating to the culture and values are transmitted from generation to generation through the oral means. Mistake in oral tradition can be modified and corrected at any time by oral means. Subsequently, the literate tradition refers to both the written and the printed tradition in which information is transmitted through the written means. Here, in this literature means, mistakes are quite difficult to change and correct. Question number E. How does La Pena establish a relationship between art and the oral tradition? Answer. The La Pena establishes the relationship between the art and oral tradition. Oral tradition, through his view, in which he described the transmission of oral tradition from generation to generation, said that the task of handing down tradition from generation to generation by the word or mouth is a form of art in which speaker old and listener young inventor play a very important role. सुनाउने र सुन्ने भनेर यहाँ देख्दै ती दुईजनाको बीच एकदम गहिरो सम्बन्ध छ. This art form is carried over from the generation to generation successfully, sustaining and preserving the culture and values. Information related to tradition is communicated quite actually through oral histories, folk tales, ballads, song, prose, verse, etc. Oral tradition is an uncue art whereby the culture and values of traditional are preserved and upheld in the world. Reference the contents. Question number 8. La Pena stated that the oral transmission helps maintain the value of a culture. If you believe that the oral tradition is important, how would you maintain it? Answer. I would maintain oral tradition doing the following activities. Try my best to convince information about the culture and value by word of mouth. यो क्वेसन यो पहिले भन्दा खोजेको म सकेसम्म हाम्रो धर्म र संस्कृतिको बारेमा जानकारी दिनेछु र अर्को try to make people aware of the importance of oral tradition र हरेक जनतालाई यसको सचेत गराउनेछु कि ओरल हरेक जनतालाई यसको सचेत गराउनेछु कि ओरल ट्रेडिसनल चाहिँ कतिको महत्त्वपूर्ण कतिको इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ भनेर. Organize a team in my community to support our culture and traditional by the word of mouth. केही संस्थाहरू खोल्ने केही कम्युनिटीहरू खोल्ने छु जुन धर्म र संस्कृतिलाई जोगाउने या सपोर्ट गर्ने. Inform you about the advantage of oral traditional from my people. म ओरल ट्रेडिसनको बारेमा अरू मान्छेले के यसको एडभान्टेज फाइदा विशेषताहरू म दिनेछु. ओरल ट्रेडिसनको केही फाइदा विशेषता म दिनेछु अरू मान्छेहरूलाई. Ask my team member to pass the automatic information to everyone orally. B. Not everyone is capable of fulfilling the role of the elder. Explain this statement with different reference to the essay. Answer. Not everyone can fulfill the role of elder people. सबै व्यक्तिहरूले इल्डरको जस्तै रोल फिलअप गर्न सक्दैन. The elderly are the basic of our tradition. Our culture and values are the first and foremost preserved and maintained by the elders. Our culture and values are the first and foremost preserved and maintained by the elders. This role is maintaining and preserving our culture and our traditional values are expendable on preserving and maintaining our culture and values of oral tradition from generation to generation. Because of their vital role, they become able to acquire ideal position in their life. Their duties and obligations related to their culture and traditional values as religious ceremonies, dance, etc. reflect their way of life and knowledge of their tradition, which touch many people in the community. After the death of the elder, this is quite difficult to feel. See, what is the controlling idea or ethics of this essay? Answer. The controlling idea or ethics of this essay is about sharing traditional by oral method, and even the correct way of passing it on from generation to generation. This essay has demonstrated the importance of sharing tradition for all readers. The task of orally sharing tradition is a form of art where the elder and youth play a very vital role in the preserving the cultural and values of tradition. The task of sharing tradition has many problems on its way. The elder and the youth need to be responsible. They need to trust each other and share the right information. D. How do topic sentence guide the reader through the essay? What should be lost without them? The topic sentence guide the reader to provide them with the various ideas regarding the importance of a word of mouth. Word of mouth. Sharing traditionally, topic sentence refer to the sentence that appear internally in each paragraph. The values of the traditional and how much and how to maintain and preserve them. These themes support the word of mouth and how to preserve the culture and values of tradition. This topic will lost a lot in the essay as following. Correct confirmation of the tradition of sharing, controlling idea of the essay, oral tradition and its importance, the role of the elderly and youth, problem in the preservation and conservation of oral tradition, solution for maintaining oral tradition. E. What are the four major problems developed by the La Pena with regard to maintain the oral tradition? How are they used to structure the essay? Answer. The four main issues developed by the La Pena regarding the maintaining oral tradition are below. 1. Difficulty feeling the elder needs with the problem of sharing tradition through the verbal tradition. The influence of modern technology. Impact of the modern education system. Information source and how to recognize and share them. Reference behind the text. A. Write a paragraph or two explaining your attitude toward the oral tradition of passing along information. Answer. I think that oral tradition is one of the effective practice for sustaining and preserving the culture and values of the tradition for all the peoples of this world. I also accept oral tradition as an art form where both elderly and young people play their vital role in the preserving and maintaining the culture and traditional values by passing on authorities information from generation to generation. For everyone, the practice of oral tradition is very important. We can preserve and keep our culture and traditional values through the oral tradition. We can secure our cultural and traditional identity through the help of oral tradition. B. Our culture is our identity. Write a few paragraphs explaining how you intend to preserve your culture, values, and norms. Our identity is our culture. In our life, our culture, values, and norms play a very significant role. Our whole life things on our culture. Culturally, we are linked to our civilization. We can do good in our life because of our culture, standard, and values. This element teaches us in our lives to choose the right path, thought, and decision. I intend to preserve my culture, values, and norms by performing the following activities. 1. Celebrating every ceremony linked to my culture. Making people aware of the signification of our culture, values, and standards. Advertising or promoting cultural and traditional events in our society. Forming a cultural heritage related organization, sharing culture related information and the values of my